Are you leaving money on the table with your marketing? As a designer, you're an expert in creating value for others, but what about for your own business? The skills that make you a great designer don't always translate to marketing. You see others thriving with a constant flow of ideal clients and wonder what their secret is. Often, it comes down to building a system. Today, we'll unpack two of the most powerful tools in that system: newsletters and sales funnels, specifically for designers. Our goal is to demystify these concepts and give you clear action steps to build a sustainable design business that supports your creativity rather than draining it. Before we go any further, make sure to subscribe, like, and hit the bell for more design business education like this. We're building a community of designers who want real businesses, not burnout. On one side, you have newsletters. Think of these as your personal design journal, shared with an invited audience. They nurture relationships and build your brand over time. On the other side, you have funnels. These are structured, automated systems designed to guide people from initial interest to a clear decision, like booking a call. The truth is, the most successful designers don't choose one over the other. They understand that these two tools work in harmony. Let's break down each one. A newsletter is your direct line of communication to your audience, potential clients, past clients, and peers who might refer work. This is your space to share your unique perspective and offer genuine value. Don't just show the final polished results. Show your thinking, your process, the challenges you overcame. This is what positions you as an expert, not just a pair of hands. By showing up consistently in their inbox with valuable insights, you build familiarity and trust. It's incredibly cost-effective. The primary investment is your time and ideas, plus a subscription to a simple email tool. Newsletters play the long game. They keep you top of mind, so when a potential client's need arises, whether it's in 3 weeks or 3 months, you're the one they think of. You're not a stranger, you're the first call they make. But there are limitations. The results are often indirect and harder to attribute. It also demands consistency. Sending one email every 6 months won't build momentum. Now, let's talk about funnels. If a newsletter is a friendly conversation, a funnel is a guided tour. It's a deliberately designed path from awareness to purchase. It often starts with a lead magnet, a valuable, free resource like a checklist or a template. In exchange for an email address, they get the resource. This triggers an automated email sequence that educates them, builds your credibility, and eventually presents a clear, compelling offer. The primary strength of a funnel is its intense focus on conversion, with measurable steps along the way. You can see exactly where people are dropping off and make improvements. And because it's automated, it works for you around the clock, allowing you to scale your lead generation beyond one-to-one conversations. Performance is trackable and optimizable. You can A/B test headlines, change button colors, and refine your offer based on real data, not just guesswork. But funnels have their own challenges. Sending cold prospects straight into a hard sell funnel can feel aggressive and damage your brand. It's like asking for marriage on the first date. They also require a significant upfront investment of time and skill. You need strong copywriting, a genuinely valuable offer, and the technical know-how to connect the tools. If this is helping you think differently about your design business, hit the like button. Are you team newsletter, team funnel, or starting to see how they fit together? Let us know in the comments. So, which is better for a designer? The question itself is flawed. It's like asking if you should use a sketchbook or a computer. The answer is obvious. You need both. They serve different complementary purposes. The most effective marketing strategy uses them together as one cohesive system. Your newsletter is the engine of audience and trust building. Your funnels are the mechanism to convert that trust into tangible revenue. Here's a simple model. You use a lead magnet to get people onto your email list. You nurture that relationship with your regular value-packed newsletter. Then, when you have a specific offer, you present it to that warm list through a focused, short-term funnel. Warm audiences convert at a much higher rate because they already know, like, and trust you. The funnel doesn't feel like a hard sell. It feels like a helpful, timely solution from a trusted expert. Okay, theory is great, but action is what grows your business. Let's get practical. The key here is not to chase perfection. Build momentum with a good enough version 1. First, create a simple lead magnet. Short is often better. Think of a question you get asked by clients all the time. Answer that one question with a practical one-page worksheet, checklist, or resource guide. Package it neatly in Canva or Figma, export it as a PDF, and make it easy to download from a simple landing page. Second, write a simple 3-email welcome sequence. This is the automated part that bridges the gap between a new subscriber and a regular reader. Email 1, sent immediately. Deliver the freebie and say thanks. Email 2, sent 1 day later. Introduce yourself and your design philosophy. Let your personality show. Email 3, sent 2 days after that. Share a link to your best case study or your portfolio. Show, don't just tell, the value you create. After this, they are added to your regular newsletter list. Third, plan your first 4 newsletter topics. Don't wait for inspiration to strike. Brainstorm 4 simple, helpful topics you can write about. This will help you stay consistent from the start. Consistency is the key ingredient that makes this entire system work. It's the difference between a hobby and a business. So let's be clear, it's not newsletter versus funnel, it's a partnership. Your newsletter is your garden. You plant seeds and water them with value and consistency. Your funnel is the harvest. It's the focused process you use to convert that trust into paid work that sustains your business. Your action this week is simple but powerful. Create your version 1 lead magnet and set up that 3-email welcome sequence. Get this initial system in place. Once the foundation is built, everything else gets easier. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, share it with a designer who's serious about building a real business. And if you're ready to go deeper, visit TheDesignLemonade.com to access free tools, checklists, and design business education.